Welcome back to Scratch Project-Based Programming. Today, we'll make a new game which applies what we learned in the previous lesson. This game is an easy way to make a shooting game using Scratch. Let's get started by going to scratch.mit.edu. Now, it's your turn to follow along. Click Create. First, we will set up the scene. Delete the cat sprite. Now, go to the backdrop and select the one you want. I selected stars. Then, go to the sprite and select the shooting base. I selected a rocket ship, but you can select something else that you like too. If your sprite is too big, you can reduce its size. I put 40. Put the shooting base at the bottom of the screen. Now, select another round sprite for a bullet. I selected a ball and reduced its size to 20%. Don't forget to put a direction to 0 to make the ball go straight up. Select another sprite as the target. In this case, I selected the crystal. Select a sprite called line and put it at the bottom of the stage. If the target gets to this line, the game will end. Next, we need to define a variable for the score. Go to Variable and create a variable. Name it Score. Now it's your turn to follow along. Let's make the shooting base move left and right. Click on the rocket ship sprite. Go to Events and select When Space Key Clicked. Change the key to the right arrow. Go to Motion and select Change X by 10. Change 10 to 20. A positive number will make it go right. Then go to Events and select When Space Key Clicked again. Change the key to the left arrow, go to Motion and select Change X by 10. Change 10 to -20. A negative number will make it go left. Now let's make the bullet fly. Click on the ball sprite. Go to Events and select When Space Key Clicked. Go to Motion and select Go to Random Position. Change Random to the rocket ship sprite. This will make the bullet always start at the rocket ship. Go to Looks and select Show. Keep the bullet flying until it hits the edge. Go to Control and select Repeat Until. Go to Sensing and select Touching Mouse Pointer, then change it to Touching Edge. Go to Motion and select Move 10 steps. Put it inside the Repeat Until block. Go to Looks and select Hide to hide the ball after touching the edge. Try it out! Setting up the target. Click on the crystal sprite. Go to Events and select When Green Flag Clicked. This code will run immediately when the game starts. Go to Looks and select Hide to hide the master crystal. Go to Variables and select Set My Variable to 0, then change it to Score. Go to Control and select Forever. This will make the following code run continuously until the program is stopped. Select Wait 1 second, put it inside the Forever block, and change the value to 3. This will clone the target every 3 seconds. Select Create Clone of Myself to clone the crystal. Cloning target movement and collision. Go to Control and select When I Start as a Clone. Go to Motion and select Go to Random Position. Then go back to Motion and select Set Y to 10 and change 10 to 180. This will make the clone of the crystal spawn at random positions but move to the top of the screen. Go to Looks and select Show. This will make the crystal appear on the screen. Go to Control and select Forever. Go to Motion and select Change Y by -3 and put it inside the Forever block. This will make the crystal fall down continuously. To check for collision, go to Control and select If Then. Go to Sensing and select Touching Mouse Pointer. Change it to Ball. This will be the condition to score a point. Go to Sound and select Start Sound Collect. Change it to Magic Spell and put it inside the If block. Go to Variables and select Change My Variable by 1. Then change it to Score. Put it inside the If block. Go to Control and select Delete this clone. Put it inside the If block. Put the If block inside the Forever block. Game over. Click on the line sprite. Go to Control and select When Green Flag Clicked. Select Forever. Go to Sensing and select Touching Mouse Pointer. Change it to Crystal and put it inside the If block. Go to Sound and select Play Sound Pop until done. Then select Sound tab at the top. Click on the speaker button on the bottom left, then search for Glass Break. Go back to Play Sound Pop until done, then change Pop to Glass Break. Go to Control and select Stop All. When the crystal hits the line, the game will end. Test your game, and then go to the File menu and select Save to your computer. Then, upload it to our system.